I got 5 pallets on here. I got 23, 26 footer. I mean 53 footer usually only fit 26. But how you make it fit, you turn it sideways. And I pray for them, hopefully it fit.
Business things, business things, business things, business things, business things, business things. Say business things, business things, business things, business things, business.
Alright, y'all, we active this AM. The Most High woke us up, so hallelujah. Shalom. We here. We gonna hit y'all with a trucking video today. Yeah, I'm about to go get me some breakfast first though. We gonna hit y'all with a trucking video today. Cause we ain't hit y'all with a trucking video in a while. You know, trucking. This is what we started with. We started with trucking, right? So hey, we gotta continue. I'm gonna hit y'all with a full trucking video, and yeah, just stay tuned. What it is, people, what it is. We here. I get ready to hit this road. Oh, it's this bay right here. They just chilling. This other baby. They right there behind me. Yeah, oh yeah, let me show y'all something. I got a load on here right now. Today, y'all gonna get a little bit of action. You ain't gonna get much action, but you're gonna get a little bit of action. I got one pickup today. Don't talk about my truck now. I got one pickup already on here too. So these just some supplies that I possibly needed. I didn't secure it good enough, but look, that's one load right there. There's one pickup. I got one more to go pick up. I was supposed to pick up one yesterday, but I couldn't get on the Amazon site. They says the site was shut down because of weather. Never heard of that, but it's all good. I got one more to go pick up, and we're gonna head on up to Orlando. Jorvastein. Now I'm about to go, what you about to do, Orlando? I'm about to go get right. Let me lock this back. I'm gonna get my cooler full up with ice, and we out. Y'all know about this good ackee and saltfish. Yeah, I cooked it yesterday, so this is gonna be dinner tonight. I'm putting it on ice right now. Get ice. Shalom. What's going on, humans? It's your boy Lindo, and I am the man Doe. Now, it's been a while since I dropped a trucking video, so I'm going back to the basic, y'all. I'm going back to what my bread and butter. I've been neglecting y'all. I haven't been giving y'all these trucking videos, but I've been busy. I've been working on so much stuff in the background that I put my baby to the back. So we back. We're gonna drop some trucking video. Oh, for those who don't know, my name is Orlando, and I am the man, though. Originally this channel started off just posting trucking videos, and till it ultimately merged into my lifestyle somewhat, right? But right now we're in a transition, right? We're in a transition. We're trying to figure out where we want to go with the channel, but one thing I would not stop posting is trucking video, right? It is the channel name is Business Thing, and I am a hustler, entrepreneur, that's a blessing and a curse at the same time. I'm always doing something. Like I had so much stuff going on in the background that I ended up putting YouTube on the back burner. But we back, guys. We back. We back. Come on, man. Hey, we back now. So today we're gonna pick up some Amazon loads, right? For those who don't know either, I was driving for myself. Now I'm driving for a company. And I'm gonna be honest, it's definitely less stress, but it's working for yourself give you a certain type of freedom mentally that you can't find in the job. Now this job, I don't do much. I get paid I get paid a pretty penny. More than most individual that's over the road working for somebody. More than most. I get paid a pretty penny for I work. I don't work that hard, but it might just be me. Some people might say it's hard work. It might just be me though. I work, but I get paid pretty good, man. I must say, God be the glory, all blessings. Hey, to the Most High. That come from the Most High right there. Cause last year, man, my trucking business went down. Boy, I almost went to a depression. And I'm not a depressed type dude, but I came up out of it with this right here. God put me in a great position that I'm in right now. Now, am I done with the owner-operator lane? No. Nope. We're gonna be very clear with that. I might have a truck out there right now. Now, when I was out there, I was doing box truck. Clearly, for what y'all saw earlier, I'm driving a semi. Right? So, am I coming back out there in the semi? However God give it to me, that's how I'm gonna take it. God might say, Lando, the Most High, Yah, might say, Lando, I want you in a box truck. And this gonna take you there. And I'm with it. But it's a blessing that I could drive a Class A now. This was part of my prayer last year, and I'm here now. I'm driving it with no problem. Like, I had my Class A license since 2017, but I never driven a semi. Other than when I was in school. So, of course, you could imagine that my skills wasn't as sharp. So, my skills are definitely sharpened up now. Am I going to quit this job? I'm not going to say that. I like this job. This company, I actually been with this company for a minute. I came back. When I came back, I'm sure your guy was working. When I came back, I got paid more. That's a fact. A position opened up for me that didn't even exist. And then a couple months later, I got paid more. I put in another position that was a up, which was this Class A. This was part of my prayer. And then after that, the pay went up even more and even more. You know, a job is not all about pay, but it is. It is about pay. Yeah, I don't know who y'all fooling. We work for that money. We want that money. I don't love this company like that. Now, it is a great company to be with, and I must say that, but it's nothing like that freedom to work for yourself. But the pros and the cons of everything have it in the work for yourself and work for somebody. Right now, I'm not stressed out about nothing. I'm not cussing out no broker. I'm not hoping I find a load. I might have to take this load. I'm not trying to strategize how I can make this rate per mile work. Okay, I might have to grab a load here that's going that direction. I don't have to do that. But it's nothing like your own. Do I miss over the road? Yeah. But I'm kind of over the road now, but I'm not. I'm local, but I'm not local. Because I don't go home most weeks until Friday. Like today's Tuesday, I don't come back home until Friday. But I be right up the road, though. I be right up the road, and my people's in the same area. I go to the same stops at Monday, well, Tuesday to Friday. Monday, I usually do something random. But I like it. I like it, you know. I'm around my family. I don't think my wife like it like that, but I'm around my family. My dad's right down the street. My auntie's down the street. Cousin down the street. Brother's down the street. Everybody's right there. So yeah, but today y'all gonna go with me a little bit. Y'all gonna ride out with your boy Lando. We're gonna pick up some Amazon loads, man. It's hazardous waste, by the way. Which might has a lot to do with the pay also. I strictly deal with hazardous waste. I've always did, but now once you get in the semi game, you get a different understanding, a better understanding of the hazardous waste placard, especially when it comes to placarding and all that type of stuff, right? So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. Straight hazmat. Everything I'm picking up is hazmat. Yeah. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. Tap in with your boy. It's your boy Lando. Remember who I am. I am for me, though. Hey. All right, y'all. We active. We about to hit the road. Hold on. Let me turn these down, Ken. The Breakfast Club. Shout out to Breakfast Club. We active, y'all. We about to go hit the road. Head out on the Amazon. And y'all ride out with me. Know what I mean? I'm in trucker territory, y'all. Not sure what my windshield wiper. Straight trucker territory around here. It's some bull crap. I looked it up online. Look at my PSI now. I don't have a leak. It's a sensor, guys. I gotta get that fixed. I'm gonna get it fixed either today or tomorrow. You know, I'm blessed and protected, so I ain't gonna get pulled over. But it go off. It goes off. So I don't have no low air. Go check in, y'all. About to go check in. They said my door is blocked, but I'm back into the trailer into. So I'm about to see, go ahead and do the paperwork. All right, y'all. Ain't that much light in here, but y'all can see what's going on. I got 5 pallets on here. I got 26 footer. 53 footer usually only fit 26. But how you make it fit, you turn it sideways. And I pray for me, hopefully it fit. Guys, full truck. See, I got 28 in here. I had to turn the pallets like that. Like that. If I had a forklift, I would be able to turn both like that. It'd be like 32 or something. All right, y'all, job is done, but I gotta come back because I forgot one of my paperwork that I gotta print off and give to them. There's nothing major, really. I'm gonna run to the office and go knock that out. And then I'm gonna come on right back, drop that off, run in, and it'll be in and out for about 45 minutes. Run. And that's it. It might be an hour, but it's 30 minutes in the office, 30 minutes back. Either way, I ain't tripping. Got a little line. Usually we don't have no line going out now. It's a little line. Hopefully I good enough space for this dude right here. Okay, good enough. He a driver. JB Hunt, hold it down. A little busy today. Look at Amazon, y'all. Y'all hear this annoying sound? I'm back. Somebody gonna try to tell me what it is. I'm back at Amazon. You know why I'm back at Amazon. People. I'm back at Amazon, y'all. I'm back, right? But why you back at Amazon? The same Amazon I just left. I had to go back to the office to get some paperwork that I didn't have, that I had to print off. So now I'm gonna bring the paperwork, right? And then that's it. Actually, I'm not going to Orlando today. I'm just gonna leave out early in the morning at 4. That'll be the next video. So stay tuned. Watch the next video, y'all. It's coming out tomorrow. Whenever this drop, it's coming out the next day. But the day continues though. This is not the end of the video, cause y'all with me the whole day. I still gotta go to Boynton Beach, pick up some stuff. So I'm gonna drive my personal truck doing that. I'm not taking the big old trailer up there now. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's what it is, guys. What's up, people? What it is, your boy Orlando. From what you can see, it's clear that I never made it to Orlando. I didn't make it up there today by choice. And then that's the luxury of position I have at my job. Nobody's not over me. Well, somebody's over me, but nobody's not micromanaging me. Make sure you get here there. I kind of understand the job and I know what time it needs to be there. So I go when I want to go. Like this load don't have to be there till tomorrow morning. And not necessarily tomorrow morning, but because I have a stop up there tomorrow. So I probably just leave early in the morning. But yeah, guys, appreciate you guys for watching. More trucking videos coming. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Matter of fact, I might just document. Matter of fact, check. I know what it is. If you know, you know. I'm documenting my next trip, which is tomorrow. So I'll probably 4 o'clock in the morning in the road. It'll take me about 3.5 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours to get up there. Then I gotta drop this trailer, pick up another empty trailer, and bomb, go to my stop. Pick that stop up by 1, 2 o'clock, I'm done. Easy money, baby. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share. It's your boy Linda, and I am the man, though.